Hey DIY fans and kitchen upgrade lovers, where we test, review, and help you find the best home improvement gear. After testing 18 kitchen faucets over the past 3 months, I've narrowed it down to the top 5 models that truly deliver exceptional performance, durability, and value. Our testing included water flow analysis, durability stress tests, and real-world daily use in a busy kitchen. So if you're upgrading your faucet this year, make sure to watch until the end. You'll find all the latest links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Faucets Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet. Picture this. You're in the middle of preparing a big family dinner, pots boiling, dishes stacking, and you need a faucet that can handle the pressure. That's where the Faucets Brushed Nickel Faucet shines. Built from lead-free stainless steel, this leak-free workhorse uses ceramic cartridges and PEX hoses for long-lasting durability. With 3 spray settings, stream, spray, and pause, you can easily switch between filling, rinsing, and cleaning. The high-arc spout, 18-inch retractable hose, and 360 swivel give it great reach and flexibility. Installation is a breeze. Most users set it up in under 30 minutes. No plumber needed. While it's a bit lighter than premium models, the brushed nickel finish resists fingerprints and adds a sleek, modern look to your kitchen. Backed by a 2-year warranty and solid customer support, the Faucets is a smart choice for anyone seeking a stylish, reliable, and budget-friendly faucet upgrade. Number 4. Elephant Kitchen Faucet Brushed Nickel. Next up is the Elephant Kitchen Faucet, perfect for those who want both style and practicality. Standing at 18.5 inches, it fits neatly under standard cabinets, and the open spout industrial design gives your kitchen a modern edge. The brushed nickel finish not only looks great, but also repels fingerprints and water spots, keeping maintenance to a minimum. Its dual-mode sprayer lets you switch between a soft aerated stream and a powerful spray, ideal for everything from delicate produce to greasy pans. The 360 rotating sprayer and 17.7-inch pull-out hose make cleaning your entire sink effortless. Constructed from S3O for stainless steel with food-grade PEX hoses, it delivers durability and water safety at a budget-friendly price. While some parts feel less premium than luxury models, the overall performance and design punch well above its cost. For smaller kitchens or minimalist setups, the Elephant Faucet is an excellent mix of performance, compactness, and affordability. Number 3. WEWE Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet. At number 3, the WEWE faucet proves that great design doesn't have to be expensive. Its tulip-style design adds elegance, while the 3 water modes, stream, spray, and pause, make it incredibly versatile. It delivers 1.8 gallons per minute, matching premium faucets in water efficiency. The high-arc 360 swivel spout provides full sink coverage, and the brushed nickel finish keeps it spotless even after heavy use. Installation is DIY-friendly with pre-installed water lines, meaning most people can set it up in under 30 minutes. Just double-check connections to prevent minor leaks. With a 5-year warranty, longer than most, and outstanding everyday performance, the WEWE faucet offers premium functionality at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or replacing an old fixture, this model delivers style, durability, and value in one sleek package. Number 2. Kimpo Kitchen Faucet Brushed Nickel. The Kimpo faucet takes kitchen convenience to the next level. Built with premium 300 for stainless steel, it resists rust and corrosion while adding a modern, professional look to your sink area. Its standout feature, a 23-inch pull-out hose, longer than most competitors, giving you full reach for large sinks and deep cleaning. The 3-mode sprayer stream, spray, and pause gives total control for everything from rinsing veggies to filling pots, and the balanced weight system ensures the head retracts smoothly every time. You can install it in under 15 minutes, one of the fastest setups in this lineup. Just note, if your sink has 3 holes, you'll need a separate deck plate. Some users find the water pressure a bit strong, but it's fully adjustable to your liking. With rigorous quality testing and responsive customer service, the Kitchen faucet offers high-end performance at a mid-range price, ideal for bigger sinks and serious home cooks. Number 1. Delta ESA Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. And finally, our top pick, the Delta ESA Faucet. If you want a combination of elegance, innovation, and long-lasting performance, this is the one. Delta's Diamond Seal technology prevents leaks better than almost any competitor, dramatically extending faucet life. The magnetite docking system keeps the sprayer securely in place, no more dangling hoses. It features a high arc spout with full 360 rotation, making it easy to reach every corner of your sink. Plus, Delta's touch-clean spray holes let you wipe away mineral buildup with a single swipe, a huge maintenance win. Available in Arctic stainless or matte black finishes, it fits beautifully into any modern kitchen. Installation is straightforward, compatible with both single-hole and three-hole setups, and the optional touch feature adds futuristic convenience. While battery placement takes a bit of creativity, the overall design, reliability, and ease of use make this faucet a clear winner. The Delta ESA offers the best blend of technology, durability, and aesthetics, a true investment that elevates your entire kitchen experience. So there you have it, the top 5 kitchen faucets of 2025, tested and reviewed for real performance and value. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hands-on reviews and DIY home improvement tips. You'll find all product links with updated prices right below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.